Remember the post that I put out the other day of these two hanging baskets, and I talked about how I was going to cut them down the middle and put them in my window boxes? Well, I have my window boxes already full right now, and they have Dusty Miller and pansies and violas in them, and they're gorgeous right now. I don't even really want to take this apart because I love it. It's very, very pretty. But I don't want to leave pansies and violas in my window boxes all summer long. So I'm going to take the pansies and violas out. I may try to find a spot to put them somewhere else, but I really want to leave the Dusty Miller because I think it'll look pretty with the baskets that I chose. Let me show you how I'm going to do this one here. I've already cut. The 12-inch hangers are hard to snap off, so I just cut them with scissors. So I've cut the hanger off, and I'm going to take it out like you've seen before. There's no plant in the center, so I'm not going to break anything in the center, but I still have to keep my fingers really nice and tight and straight. Toss that over there. Okay. I like to do this with my window boxes pretty much every year because I get instant growth right away. It's not like I have to wait on some of the smaller ones to grow. So it's just a thought for you. I've got 6 plants in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down the middle, but I want to make sure that I'm not cutting into one of the plants. Pull some of it around and kind of get it all separated the best that you can without breaking it too badly anyhow. You see any stuff on there you need to get rid of, just pick it off. I mean, you may break a little bit of it doing this, but if you're really easy with it, it's really not too bad. So I've got 3 plants over here and 3 over here. So I'm gonna cut just straight down the middle of what you can see right here. I'm going to take my pansies and violas out. So you can see this Dusty Miller is so large that I'm going to take some off. I don't want it coming over this way too far because this is where I'm going to be putting my new baskets. So I'm going to take the part that's flat on this side. And I had to take out quite a bit. What you want to do is make sure that you take out enough because there's the depth. That's how deep this is. Hopefully I'm going to like it, is I'm going to add some of the raspberry angelonia tall summer snapdragon. I have 3 here, so I think if I add them in, the Dusty Miller is so tall that I need to have something back here with it. So I'm going to add a few of these back here. Like that, and what I think I'm going to do, I brought 3 of the Wojo Gem Vinca Vine, so I think I'm going to put these in here with whenever you do something like this with your hanging baskets, you cut them in half, or when you disturb roots of any plant, normally they will look a little wimpy for a couple of days, but keeping them nice and wet, not soaked, not saturated, but don't let them go dry because the roots have been upset. And then before you know it, within a few days, the roots are going to start grabbing onto the soil that you just put them in, and they're going to start perking right back up. I'm going to fill all of this in with all of the gaps now where I need to put more soil in, so I'll go through and do that.